The USS Florida, SSGN 728, is an Ohio-class guided missile submarine, SSGN, in service with the United States Navy. Initially commissioned as a ballistic missile submarine, SSBN, the Florida was later converted to an SSGN, reflecting the strategic shift in the U.S. Navy's priorities. This paper provides a comprehensive analysis of the submarine's history, design, capabilities, operational history, and future prospects. The USS Florida was commissioned on June 18, 1983, as the sixth of the 18 Ohio-class submarines built by the United States. Named after the U.S. state of Florida, the submarine was originally designed as a nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarine, SSBN. However, the post-Cold War geopolitical landscape and shifting defense priorities led to the decision to convert 4 of the 18 Ohio-class SSBNs into SSGNs, including the Florida. The USS Florida was built by the General Dynamics Electric Boat Division in Groton, Connecticut. The Ohio-class submarines are the largest in the U.S. Navy, measuring 560 feet, 170 meters, in length and 42 feet, 13 meters, in diameter. The Florida's hull is constructed of high-yield steel, which allows the submarine to operate at great depths. The propulsion system of the USS Florida is a nuclear-powered S-8G pressurized water reactor, designed by General Electric. This reactor powers 2 steam turbines, which drive a single propeller shaft, enabling the Florida to achieve a top speed of over 20 knots, 37 kilometers per hour, submerged. The nuclear power source also provides an almost unlimited range, limited only by the crew's food and supplies. The USS Florida underwent conversion to an SSGN at the Norfolk Naval Shipyard between 2003 and 2006. The primary modifications involve the removal of the Trident II-D5 submarine-launched ballistic missiles, SLBMs, and the installation of 154 Tomahawk cruise missiles in their place, in 22 of the 24 missile tubes. The remaining 2 tubes were converted into lockout chambers for Special Operations Forces, SOF, weapon systems. As an SSGN, the USS Florida's primary weapon system is the Tomahawk cruise missile. The submarine can carry up to 154 of these missiles, which can be launched from vertical launch systems, VLS, in the missile tubes. The Tomahawk missile has a range of approximately 1,000 miles, 1,600 kilometers, and can carry a variety of payloads, including conventional high-explosive warheads or nuclear warheads. In addition to the Tomahawk missiles, the USS Florida is equipped with 4 21-inch, 533 mm, torpedo tubes, which can fire Mark 48 Advanced Capability, ADCAP, heavyweight torpedoes. These torpedoes are designed to target enemy submarines and surface vessels and can reach speeds of over 50 knots, 93 km per hour. The USS Florida's conversion to an SSGN also involved the installation of advanced communication systems and lockout chambers, enabling the submarine to support Special Operations Forces, SOF. The lockout chambers allow SEAL teams or other SOF units to exit the submarine while submerged and conduct underwater or surface missions. Additionally, the Florida can carry a dry deck shelter, DDS, or a SEAL delivery vehicle, SDV, further enhancing its SOF capabilities. Maintenance and upgrades. Like all submarines, the USS Florida requires periodic maintenance and upgrades to maintain its operational effectiveness. Throughout its service life, the Florida has undergone several refits and overhauls, including the installation of new sonar systems, communications equipment, and weapon systems upgrades. One significant upgrade was the incorporation of the N/Big 1 submarine combat control system, which improves situational awareness, target tracking, and weapon control. Additionally, the Florida received the Advanced Processor Build, APB, software upgrades, enhancing its electronic warfare capabilities and enabling it to remain on the cutting edge of submarine technology. Future prospects. As an SSGN, the USS Florida is expected to remain in service until the 2030s, providing the U.S. Navy with a flexible and potent platform for strike missions and special operations support. However, as the submarine nears the end of its service life, considerations for its replacement have begun. The U.S. Navy's Future Guided Missile Submarine Program, known as the SSNX, aims to develop a new class of submarines to replace the Ohio-class SSGNs. These next-generation submarines will likely incorporate advanced stealth, propulsion, and weapon systems, building upon the capabilities of the USS Florida and her sister ships. Conclusion. The USS Florida, SSGN 728, represents a significant strategic asset for the United States Navy, combining the stealth and endurance of a nuclear-powered submarine with the strike capabilities of the Tomahawk cruise missile and support for Special Operations Forces. As a critical component of the U.S. Navy's undersea warfare capabilities, the Florida and her sister ships will continue to play a vital role in maintaining global stability and projecting American power around the world.